Hi guys, I'm Sabha Patel and welcome back to yet another celebrity inspired workout routine. In my previous video, I did a kettlebell workout routine which was inspired by Sara Ali Khan. And today we're going to be doing yet another celebrity inspired workout routine which is all about the abs. These exercises are slightly on the advanced side. So listen carefully, follow the instructions, and without any further ado, let's begin. Lie down on your back with knees at a tabletop position, arms lengthened alongside your calves and core engaged. Make sure your lower back is pressed against the mat. Your neck and shoulders are flexed and off the mat. Inhale and extend your arms straight behind your head and your legs diagonally in front of you. Exhale and circle your arms around and back to your legs. This exercise strengthens your upper and lower abs as well as stabilizes your core. Do this till you complete 8 to 10 repetitions. Sit with your knees bent and your feet hip-width apart and your arms straight in front of you. Rotate your chest to the left and allow your left hand to open. Inhale to prepare and exhale as you roll away, engaging your core. Make sure your shoulder is stable and repeat on the other side. This exercise strengthens your abdominal muscles and corrects your posture as well. Complete 5 to 8 repetitions on each side. Start with your hands and knees on the floor, keeping your spine neutral. Knees directly under hips, legs together and arms under your shoulders with palms down. Inhale, stay and hover, then exhale, extend your left leg, maintaining a neutral spine position, touching your toes on the floor. Inhale and return back to the starting position. Repeat the same with the other leg. This exercise engages every part of the body and is a great core strength builder. Complete about 10 rounds on each side. Lie down on the mat with your legs at a tabletop position. Curl your head, neck and shoulders off the ground, engaging your abs, and bend your elbows to a 90-degree angle, keeping them glued to your side. Inhale as you straighten your arms and legs. Once you have straightened the legs, make sure to widen them apart. Exhale and bring your legs and arms to the starting position. This is a very traditional Pilates exercise that improves coordination and builds the core muscles. Repeat 8 to 10 reps slowly with control. So there you go, 4 amazing celebrity-inspired ab exercises that have you showing your slim, fit and toned stomach in no time. Remember, these exercises are a bit advanced, so go slow and in control. Always follow the instructions and do not go overboard. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay tuned and stay glamorous.